Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make seafood crispy noodles. The ingredients that you need are some egg noodles. I'm using cooked noodles, also called mei sao. You will need a variety of seafood. I'm using imitation crab, shrimp, and scallops. You will also need bok choy. I'm using the mini ones. Mushrooms that are the straw mushrooms in a can, the long sweet corn in a can as well, 1 shallot, about 4 garlic cloves. You'll also need oyster sauce, tapioca starch, salt, black pepper, sugar, and some regular drinking water. Go ahead and wash your bok choy and then cut off the bottoms and then separate them. If you have the big bok choy, you can also cut them into smaller pieces. Once separated, go ahead and give it another wash. Now peel your shallots and go ahead and thinly slice them. Set aside until ready to use, and then go ahead and get your garlic cloves and you're going to give it a smash and then you're going to mince them. Then go ahead and open up your can of mushrooms and drain them, and do the same thing with the corn. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, 2 tablespoons of water, and go ahead and mix to combine. Then you're going to add about 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix well and then set aside. Bring water in a pot to boil and then go ahead and blanch your bok choy. Once softened, remove from heat and set aside. Using the same water in the pot, add your cooked noodles so that it can separate and soften. Then go ahead and drain out the water and set aside. Heat oil in a pan on medium-high heat and then add in the garlic and shallots. Saute for about 1 minute or until translucent. And then you're going to add in some of the seafood. I'm adding in the shrimp and scallops first, since the crab is already cooked. Once the seafood is cooked, about 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to add in the crab and then season it with salt, sugar, and black pepper. You can add a tablespoon of each first, taste it, and then add more to your taste. Next, I'm going to add in the vegetables and then season it again with a tablespoon of salt, black pepper, and sugar. Mix well to combine. Add in the oyster sauce and cornstarch mixture, and I added in 1 more tablespoon of oyster sauce. Go ahead and mix well. Then turn off the heat and then set aside until ready to use. In another pan, heat enough oil to fry your noodles. You're going to make it round so that it can fry in a circle. Cook for about 5 minutes and then flip it over. Make sure it's nice and crispy. Cook for another 5 minutes and then you're going to place it onto a paper towel to dry. When most of the oil has been dried off on the paper towel, go ahead and transfer it to another plate, and then you're going to add the seafood and vegetable mixture on top of the noodles. Place as much as you would like. And that's it. I hope you enjoy.